I am so excited to share about the New Truth series workshop. And the first one we're going to do is I am the solution. If you feel at all discontent in your life, I'm here to tell you, congratulations. That awareness alone is invaluable. So what we're going to be doing on the weekend of November 13th, 14th, 15th, so it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday workshop, what we're going to do is we're going to go from victim to empowered. We're going to have goals and we're going to learn how to achieve them. Every single one of us that comes together is going to want something. What is it that is keeping you from the life you desire? Is it forgiveness? Is it a mindset? Is it that you refuse to forgive or let go of past traumas? What is it? A career that you've always wanted to have, but perhaps are too afraid to take that first step? We're going to learn about how to have a life that you desire, not what you're not willing to do, or I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that. What are you willing to do? So this weekend, I am the solution. It's going to be about looking at yourself and becoming a self-cleaning oven. So go to whenyouneedafriend.com, go to the New Truth series, check out I Am the Solution, and register. Just let us, because space is limited. I didn't even say that earlier, but space is limited. And so make sure that you put tell them you want to be in the front row seat once we do this, and make sure that you're part of the class and the solution. I am looking forward to seeing all of you. And I hope that if you have any questions about it, please reach out to me at lily@whenyouneedafriend.com. You can also call or text 407-373-5959. I will tell you that sometimes, or maybe a lot, I'm very busy. So we can schedule time to talk if that is something that we need to do. But I am so excited. Yes, we talked about a lot of things today in the classroom, but mostly it's about mindset. What are you willing to do to create win-win in your life so that everybody is the solution? You're the solution. I am the solution. Can you imagine what world this would be if we all learned not to just look for answers, but to also look for the solution? Oh, that's the sweet spot. So I look forward to going down and clicking. I'll put the link below where you can go right directly there and start putting your name, your thumbprint for the space. It is limited because this is now going to be some coaching that we're going to be doing together. And we're going to do it in a community that is going to learn about, if not even improve upon, unconditional love. So are you in? Are you ready? What are you willing to do? Are you willing to click on the link and put in your I am interested in the I am the solution workshop? I know you will. And I look forward to hearing from you. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!